Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream. Few peoples are already there. Welcome everybody. Very happy to see you today. It's a snowy morning for me. Let me know where you are. What's the temperature? How it looks like? Are you happy? Are you sad? What's the mood today? So today we have a big stream. It will be only 2 hours. I have something coming up that I'm very interested to participate. So I need to shorten a little bit my usual stream. Usually it's 2 hours and a half. Today will be just 2 hours. Today we'll be working on the Tiny Blazor admin website. It's the UI for the URL Shortener. I should go in this half and half view so I could share a little bit my screen. Something like that. So we'll be working on the, where is it? Here, boom. Tiny Blazor admin website. There it is. It's an open source. It's a UI, like I said, to a URL shortener, a web service that runs function. It's a super budget-friendly website. We've been working on that for a little while now, and well, yeah, I should do a time thing. That's good. I like it. So today I think it's time to make it pretty. Maybe do some screenshots so people know what it looks like, because here, like, there's not a lot. So today it's more about visual, make it pretty, adding more information so people know what it is, how to use it, and things like that. I think it will be very useful. So today, yeah, kind of cleaning the house. We'll make up some update in the board, the Git Kraken kind of Kanban board. They just call them board, but you know, it is a Kanban board. You can move stuff. So we'll start with cleaning this. If you like this tool, I know I love it. Friday, I will give away a pro license of this thing. I have a pro license. I had until the end of the month. So this week I will do kind of a promotion of my giveaway. So Friday, same channel, same time. Join and you can win a pro license for 1 year. So it's pretty cool. You could use it for free if you want, but the pro enable more feature. Like I'm a ambassador of GitKraken because I love so much their tools. So from time to time they gave me license so I could give away to other people, but they don't pay me to give you that. It's just I love the tool. Like if you're new on the stream, you will soon realize that. If you're not new, then you already know how much I like those tools. I feel like it is very visual, very intuitive. You could do a bunch of stuff, PRs and all those things. It's a Git UI, Git Kraken. You have a timeline, also very fun to use. I'm a live coder. I should do some promotion of the group. Did I introduce myself? I'm not sure I did. I'm Frank Boucher. I'm a Microsoft Cloud Advocate. And today, it's Behind the Cloud. Behind my cloud, my stream where we have fun. But I want to talk about the team. On Twitch, I'm part of a team called Live Coders. We are a few people in there. You can find us. I should mute the sound here. You can find us here. There's always a lot of people. What happened? Streaming. And saying that, I realized that we are currently only 2. But there's a lot of people streaming many different tech, different speaking languages. Some are doing in Portuguese, in French, in English, other language I'm sure that I didn't discover yet. We are 174 live coders, so pretty cool. If you want to learn, it's always very friendly, very I don't know how to say that. Yeah, friendly. There's no shy. If you missed a previous episode, you want to watch it, you could always go check all the episode on this stream or archive on YouTube. And behind my cloud is that little blog post that is generated from the stream notes. So if you didn't know, we have CB here in this guy. So CB is the chatbot. He does a few little things like tracking your score if you're playing to drops. It's a game that InstaFluff created. It's pure luck. Try to land on a target. You make points. CB's tracking your best score and stuff like that. Eventually CB will have more things to do, but right now he's tracking a lot of information, helping me to maintain some stream notes, and it's generating those notes, and then you could watch on YouTube all the archives. So in the past episode, what we I should have let me
previously on Frank's channel.
Yeah, previously on Frank's channel, what we did, we finished a CI/CD. So now we have a proper dev environment. Hey, congrats, the real Shirley Bot, for landing.
Yay!
Congrats, Pascal. Super high score of 8. So yeah, stream notes all done. So now we have a dev environment so we could work and deploy automatically. So it is wonderful this way. So yeah, so that was a lot of stuff that we did. Jeff hats. Jeff is maybe not here, but one of his hats, I'm assuming it's Azure hats, is present with us today. Pretty happy about that. So let's update the to-dos. So yeah, tools
Bonjour, hi.
is done, and type down pool is there. Bonjour mon ami, how are you? Bonjour, hi. So yeah, so let's clean the board. And we'll do a to-do. I need to make those commands faster, maybe putting some Stream Deck button on it. It's time consuming for nothing. I should have voice command stuff. To do, start, what? Cool. And now let's go. Full screen. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Do I need that? I don't need you, sir. Babaya over there. Okay. So, yeah, the board. So, oh yeah, you know what? So we had a task to do, and it's done. I did it offline. I thought it was better to do it offline just because it was kind of a priority. Documentation was incomplete. Some images in a merge got deleted. So if we look now, it should be back. So now, as we can see, all the images, and I should mute myself here. But hello, my friend. Was happy to see your face for a glimpse. My friend's from Ottawa. I don't know what he was sharing to me, but hello. So yeah, so all the images are back now. I did not pass through a branch or anything. It was kind of a quick fix and high priority because documentation is important since it's the deployment documentation here. So I fixed that. So it's done. Happy about it. And yeah, so we could close it. I was waiting for you to close it though. So close. Yes, close the card. Excellent. Now we have a CI/CD. So that's done, but it's right now, it's in VNext, or it's in dev, in fact. No, it's not, yeah. No, so this is done. Like, it's in dev, so it's done, right? If we look again to our tiny Blazor admin website, we have now GitHub Actions, so our CI/CD is deploying our website. And if we look, so there's two parts to that URL shortener, right? There's the back end and the front end. And if you go inside the AZ URL shortener, that's our back end, we also have a dev environment running. So that's cool. Talking about the dev environment, give me 1 sec. Oh yeah, it's here. Dev. There it is. Should log in. And now we have the grid. Voila, with not a lot of stats. So I could ask you to click on this link to create some stats today. I will click on the other one. Cool. And now we need to clean a few things. For example, like right here, like I was working, try to see, do I use a button or just an icon? I think I will use a button, so I need to remove the other one. We need to maybe add a title, like make that screen a little bit more pretty. Also, same with the that home. Like, I think it's nice to know that we're working with Blazor. I should probably have a button saying, hey, you know what, I'm using Blazor, data grid, some kind of promo, because they are providing for free a license that everybody can use. That's pretty awesome from them. So like, I want to make sure there's a link so people, if they say, that's cool UI, whatever, like they know they can find that on Blazor Data Grid, right? So we'll remove that thing. We'll specify, hey, it's run on Azure. This is the some link back to the GitHub repo, and that's how the task I want to create today and clean that up. And also we have some statistics. So I can go here and let's say click statistics for this one, right? So if I click here, should bring me to the statistics. And I have one click. No, I have 1 day, but 6 click. So never other clicks. Okay. So 1 day. It all happens on the 19th, and it was 6 click. So if I come here now and check this one, I have 4 click. So today we'll also work a little bit on this chart, like do we do a line, bar chart, or I'll explore different things and make sure. Here we see we have 4 days of clicks, and now we can go back. And one thing also that I found very interesting is now I put here the click statistics. So if you click here, that's kind of the high level of all your clicks. So we have 4 days of clicks. I'm not sure how I should present that. Should it be I think that's enough. It's an overview, average click, or I don't know. I'm assuming eventually it could be cool to have some kind of comparison between clicks and stuff like that. But right now we're working for the basics. I know in the request people were asking for a location where the click come from. Is it with which country? So we could have a map and stuff like that. But for now, I think that will be good enough. So we have an overview of your total clicks. Of course, this is my dev environment, so I don't have a lot of clicks. But that's a good start, right? So we have a CI/CD. It's done. It's in dev. We can totally close that. It's done. Close card. So now what we need is to update Azure Deployment AD configuration. Oh yeah, I will need to do that also soon. It's true. Yeah. Okay. So use Syncfusion Data Grid. This is in progress. Like we want to make it pretty today, so we are using it. I could say like it's in progress. Is it in VNext? It's not yet in VNext. Display stack, click stat, all that. What's the difference between? Okay. Let's put some label here. It's an enhancement, front end. Let's claim. This one is claim. This one is also claim because I'm working on it. Okay, so what I want to do here in the to-dos is how can I say that? Like make the home page more informative. Right, so remove the generated stuff. We want to make let's do a add reference to. Oh, you know what? Like I should have, yeah. I had a task. Right, add reference to the GitHub project. What else did I say I want to do? Oh yeah. Add reference to a Blazor. I think it's cool to have Blazor. Blazory. It's small, for you here. Can I make it pretty? I think I'm at the biggest I can go. It's small, Cannot go bigger. Sorry. So make fair like to Blazor. Right? It's using .NET Blazor, so I think we could use it. Let add reference to Azure because it's all on Azure. Add reference, of course, references to Syncfusion. What else? I think that's it for yeah, that's it for the home screen. Do we want something else in the home screen? What could be useful here? A link to some duck. We don't have any duck. We could have some ducks though. Maybe he's, I don't know, that could be interesting. Yeah, so that should go in the next version. I don't have any milestone yet. Okay. Well, that's it. So some labels. So we're working on that. No, it's UI, right? Front end documentation is also part of that. We wanna, I think I will like use grid. Let's create some subtask here. For the grid, let's do clean it and hello, Copper Birdie, how are you? So here for the stats, yeah, we need to make the stats also pretty. So that will be hit for, is it saved? So here we'll just Bonjour, hi. Hey, Stefan is in the house. Hello, hello, welcome. How are you? Right, make it pretty. Okay. Bonjour, hi. TBD Gamer. Hello, how are you? Good, good, thanks. A lot of snow indeed. I'm happy. I like winter with snow. Otherwise, it's just cold days where we cannot do anything. So now there's snow, there's ice, so you could go outside, properly equip, and have a good time. How things are. It's a strange. How much I can share. You know when there's a big storm coming up, that tension just before everything starts, that's how I feel. There's a lot coming up, and right now it's just like preparing, getting ready. So like there's no rush right now, but it's coming. Like I feel it's coming. But I'm happy, it's exciting, but still. And yeah, today I was feeling a little bit, not grumpy, a little bit moody. But I think nothing that a walk outside can fix. So I think this afternoon when the sun is out, because looking outside, not sure they will have a lot of suns today. I will go take a little walk, a little 15 minutes walk. And maybe clean up my driveway because we had a few, an inch of snow or two, something like that. Not much. Yeah, maybe an inch or two. A few centimeters. But you see, I have a colleague who live in Las Vegas. They also had snow in Las Vegas. It's not because they flew it in. It really fall from the sky. Pretty impressive. Oh, let me check. Insta. I'm not sure we'll have. No. This is the desert. This is in Las Vegas. Crazy. This is Las Vegas. This is in the desert. It's crazy. If you want to see it, let me share. So it's on Brian Ben's account. It's another cloud advocate. He was sharing that yesterday. It was snowing, so we were seeing some patio, whatever, from his house. But then, like, this morning, he shared those. Did I miss some important news? Yeah, and it's now too late, Stefan. That's it. Sorry, you should have arrived in time. You didn't. No, I was just saying that Friday will be the 29th, right? And I had until the end of the month to give away some Gitkraken Pro license. So we'll be doing that on Friday. I'm not sure how yet, but maybe it will be the drop game. We'll decide. So maybe I will ping Shirley Dev. Oh, I think he shared to me a comment where I could kill all the bots. So yeah, so today practice, Cloudies, because Friday it might be the way to win. Yeah, but everybody say that, Stefan. So see, Pascal has been winning. Whoa, 062. That's like it. See, keep trying. 0.62. Earlier, Pascal land, and he got 8 something, and now he's doing like 0.62. I wonder if you try again, Pascal, will you land? It will be like 0.05. You know, the guy is going in the other way around. I need to stop eating on my desk apparently because it's not sticky, but it's not clean. It's not like now I feel like you think this place is all messy. It looks nice, but when you look with the in an angle, you could see that there's like maybe a drop of coffee land there and dry there. So there are 2-3 spots, so that's not. It doesn't touch smooth. I got chrome all over my desk. Oh, yesterday I was watching a YouTube guy, I forgot who it was, and he let his dog chew some branch inside the house, in his corner, right? The dog has kind of a corner. And it was so disgusting. At first I was like, what the hell is he doing in his house? And then he told us, like, yeah, like, you know, having like he had a puppy, right? So instead of having the puppy chewing against like his furniture, he gave it away like some piece of wood or something, but it did like a complete mess. It was that's incredible. But you know, once you understand that, oh, that's chip woods or wood chips, and it's like, yeah, okay, it's fine. But first it was like, what's that? Yeah, it looks good when you remove all the junk. So like, no, my desk is pretty clean though. Like, it's not bad. It's probably, I'm happy. It's all the other things around. I mean, I got in a bunch of not pots. I don't know what you call that. A starter tray, I'm assuming. Like, you know, like it's like a pot, but it's like with plenty of division when you do a starters, because soon it will be a starter time. So yeah. Okay, so let's start working a little bit, right? And I'm wondering, yeah, I think we'll work on the home, because that would be good, right? Make the home page. Let's work on that one. So this is Tiny 42. So let's time yips. And now I should close to do. And by the way, Stefan, if you have another idea for the giveaway, how to do the giveaway for the Git Kraken, I'm all open. Like, let me know. To do done. And now we're done with this one. We also done with the plan. To do done 3. So now we need to add more. To do add that sounds about right. So now we are to do. This is very time consuming. I need to find a way to make it easier. Maybe I need a UI. I could click and it's bind to something. To do start, and what's the number? Is it 3? No. We're done with 3. We're starting 4. But is it 3? Is it? Yeah, it's strike true, right? Strike it true. Striked 2. Okay, let's continue. So we should open VS Code here. Come on, VS Code, come here. No. What? VS Code. Come on. Oh, damn it.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey. Sorry, I'm having trouble. Blazer, Mr. Magoo. Like the name. There it is. That was so hard. Okay, so we want the Blazor admin. Blazor admin, that's the one we want. How are you, Mr. Blazor, Mr. No, sorry, let's do it again. The Blazor, Mr. Magoo. I cannot say Mr. since there's Mr. in your name. Otherwise, it will be very confusing. Like it's not yet confusing. And oh my god. Whew. How are you? Welcome aboard. We're having fun with Blazor today, so I'm assuming you like Blazor. With a name like that. So So now just working with herbal ERP system. Oh yeah. Think that it will make you enjoy just more when you're working in a good system. Index. So what we want to do now is change this web page, right? We should have a little bit more information, a little bit more interesting for us. I want to still keep the Blazor information, but probably redirect to Blazor. I'm speaking fluently in both languages at the same time, French and English, and I don't know if it's because I'm moving too much, but whoo. Oh, how did you like my t-shirt? Can you see it? Let me go bigger maybe. It's not bad, right? So geek. The girls here are like, come on, you're so geek. Okay, so let's go for this page. I can make it bigger. Tiny laser admin, right? Should I say tiny blazer admin kind of slash AZ URL shortener so people know? I think it's fine, right? You're in this page. I think we should have is the logo. Or even we should have like an icon. I should make a eco file. Is it eco? Like with the. Can someone do that? That could be cool if someone can do that. Like take this or maybe just that part of the image and generate a ico. So that could be your icon here. Like instead of like this thing, it could be this image. Yeah, if someone want to do that and then share it, it will be cool. And then like I will put your name in the collaborator if you're interested, Cloudies. If you are interested. Okay. Share what? So, like I'm making the website pretty, so I could push and have like a kind of V1, and I would like to have an ICO file, like this image here. I need the ICO file, right? So if we can take this logo here and maybe use only this or something like that to make an ICO file, and then maybe like remove this part, and just like make an ICO file of that, and then share that image back to me so I could use it, and I will add your name if you're interested. Okay, so welcome to Tiny Blazer admin. Oh yeah, you know what? Like it will be this. Nah. What? That's interesting. Oh, because it's a razor page. Okay, so I need to make it. I'm so used to write Markdown that I was like, why it's not working? Cool. Tiny Blazor admin. This is an open source project available on GitHub. That is a front-end open source. I'm not sure like what to write. I just want to make clear that, you know, like it's a part of a bigger project. Welcome to the Tiny Blazor admin website. Huh, it created a div automatically when I did the two, well, that's cool. This is an open source project. This is a this is the front end, or one of the front end. This is a front end of a solution using AZ URL Shortener both project are available on GitHub. And now what I could do is here I could also make it a link, right? What's the property of, is it HTTP? Is it HTTP? Why I cannot remember href? Whew. Right, and here I will be doing the same thing. So I will be doing a just like that. So now I could put both reference to those pages, right? So that's URL Shortener. And Tiny Blazor admin. Cool. Site is built using .NET Blazor Web Assembly and some how they call that? Is it component? Let's check how they write their name. So it's one word, no F, uppercase F, right? Yeah, it's one word. Cool. I just want to make sure I write their name how they want. So this website is building using .NET Blazor WebAssembly. So let's also make that. So let's copy this. If I do this, erase everything, right? Boom. And we'll make it href. And I think it's blazor.net. Yeah, that's perfect. Did I mute the music? Oh, I paused the music. Let's continue. By the way, thank you also for Stream Beats. So that's the music we're listening. It's a total free music when you're streaming by Stream Beat official playlist. It's from Iris Miller. Is he using another name now? I forgot. Oh, ambient. There's a new playlist. There's new playlist, everybody. Interesting. So I see Pascal really want to win today, at least. So yeah, okay. So I think that's enough. Oh yeah, we need a link to documentation. And by documentation, I mean, oh. So here it's missing closing brackets. Ah, there it is.
Yay!
Hooland! Blazor! Excellent, congrats, 24, that's pretty cool. You could see your stats. If you do stats in the chat, you should see how many tentative did you do, how many times you land and stuff like that. And if you want to see where you fit in the top score of today, you could do scores. And it will give you like CB will give you highlights of today's scores. It look good. Should we add anything else, Cloudies, on that? I think it's good enough, right? Should I add a page on? You can play me. What? Miss the drop zone? Attention, miss drop zone. Oh, because you missed again? That's what you mean, Stefan? Keep practicing. Keep practicing, sir. Yeah, is it enough? Should I had like, hey, oh, let me share that because I was kind of proud and at the same time share, but I feel like with you I can share that information. I now have a sponsor page. But I was very shy to put anything, so like it's $1, $2, $5. I should put something higher, so if someone want to give like a $20 once, not like every month, but I'm assuming they will do once, and then like I should do that. No, I won't make a link, but I was happy that this to be able to set up that thing. That's cool. I think you maybe think I'm very comfortable doing all that, but I'm not. I'm doing it because I'm not comfortable with doing it. Okay, so I think we have a nice page. For that page we can run it, I think, because it's visible without being logged in. Oh, this is not pretty. Oh yeah, Frank. Yeah, I'm so used to doing it in Markdown that like I completely forgot that you need to do the div stuff and the P section and everything, right? Can I put that in div? You think it will be pretty enough? On this go another div. Oh yeah, I need to now I'm assuming I need to put some paragraph, right? This is really time consuming thing. Okay. I should bring the... Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Thanks. We need to fit the logo over there, right? We should have our logo. Yeah. Do we have the image here? I don't think we have. CSS. Oh yeah, fav icon. So yeah, that's the icon I want to. I was talking earlier. Like I want a fav icon. I'm not sure if what was his name? Apure TV, if you're working on that or not. But yeah, I was hoping to have like a nice logo. The logo in a 5 icon. Who landed? Blazer, Mr. Magoo again, 84. Congrats! Like I think you're leading today. Pretty cool. Keep practicing. Skills, indeed. Keep practicing, so Friday you could win the giveaway. I'm thinking I will do that. Okay, so we should have had the logo somewhere here. I'm assuming I should create like a images folder here and put it there. Something like that. And reveal file explorer. Oh, damn it. So images, and now I need another one. If I go into dev, get on Tiny Blazer admin. I should have the logo here. And I have no clue how to make it pretty. I think what I want is something like that, and having the full section and the logo bottom left, bottom right kind of thing. And like I want this thing to be like the full page. Do you think it's possible? Sane bar, main. Okay. Oh my god. Doing some CSS. Drumpy, thank you for the following. It's really appreciated. And I hope CB keep track of that. That would be very interesting to see if he's doing it. Thank you, welcome aboard. Thank you. It's very appreciated. So yeah, so border margin. That's not an image. Oh, it's this. Okay. So I'm assuming I will need to do something like images and then this and then oops. Rename. I'm not renaming it. I'm using this. Greeting for Uruguay. Oh my friend, you're far away. Welcome. This is cool. Oh, that, you know what? One thing I really like when I'm streaming, you know, now that everything is kind of global, I love when, like, I love those hello from. So yeah, please, in the chat, share from where you are. Like the city, the country. I like those things. Maybe I'm Costa Rica. Really? I thought you were in Quebec. Mr. Pascal. Are you messing with me? Well, happy to see you. It's cool then. Yeah, it's cool. Hey, today when I arrive in my meeting, I will say, hey, I have people from Costa Rica, from Uruguay. Love that. That's cool. I'm based in Montreal, in Canada, East Canada. Can we align? Mr. Magoo is from UK. Well, you're not lonely. If he's still there, you have a few though TBD. Even if he got the accent, if I'm not mistaken, he's from US. But earlier, Mr. Copper Birdie was there. He's from UK. So definitely not lonely. It's not sad. Did you not have snow? I think you had snow. So it's not great. It's white. It's all fluffy. Or it's probably very wet because like my friends were telling me it was a very wet snow. What are you trying to do in CSS? I don't know. Try to survive. I would like to have the logo. You know what? I will run this and then I will be able to explain. I think that's the best. Yeah. And then if somebody knows a little bit of CSS, this is really sad. That's not what I was expecting. And why the image is not there? Because my path is probably wrong. Element. Source. Network. Is it where do you see the yeah. Oh, it's a CSS, so I need to go up a level. So I'm just trying to have a nice looking here. I was hoping to have, okay, let's do this like that. So I was hoping to have, let's say, welcome to Tiny Blazor in a kind of a section, and then have another section here with some text, probably bigger than that. And then I would love to have the logo here, right? The HTTP logo with the little character here. I think that would be better. And you know what? Like I really don't like that it's white. Why it's white? Let's change that. Options. Type draw. Zoom. Oh, maybe because I'm in the in dark mode. Change the pen by entering draw mode and typing R. Okay, cool. So I do this, I do this, and then type R, and now I'm drawing red. Yeah. And if I do B, now I draw blue. Okay, let's keep blue. Though blue on the black won't be good. Maybe I should keep the red one. first recommend you to wireframe that sketch. Oh, okay. I would like to have something maybe here I could do insert one cell. And then I was looking to have something like that. That's what I would like to have. So let's fix some typos. Yes. Can do 3div. That's what I did, right? Well, I did this one in the H1. And then I had the kind of main div. And inside I have 2 divs. And before I forget, here I should do dot dot. Well, it could be whatever. I just thought that was the way, like, UI people were doing. I have no problem putting it in a div and put like div image and then like doing maybe like a floating thing, whatever. Is it what you had in mind? So I could do just like a div here, something like that, and then do an image. Okay. So let's do that. So we'll remove this here. should be good with image. And I will be doing class or style. It's better to do class, but in this case, like I just want like the margin kind of align left, line right. Wonderful. I'm 0. So I'm listening to you. Share your knowledge, sir. Junior is way better than I am. So what would you do? And then you could also share why. So Uruguay, what's your first language, native language? Is it what do you speak over there? Is it Portuguese? No. Spanish? Should I do a class or go directly with a style? Oh, the class in the image. See? You're good. Main logo. Yips. That's the name of our class here. So we'll go here. Shouldn't have deleted that. Boom. And now you say I must put some width and some... I have no clue how big my image is. It's 1000 by 415. Okay, like that. Cool. How about the text now? Because the text was all squishy in one section. So how can we make it a little bit more hairy? And why all div were gray? Maybe I don't do div. Maybe this is a paragraph here. Let's run this to see where we are. Oh, but the home is padding. Yeah. Did I play it? Yeah, it's playing. Did I stop it before? Maybe not. Dee-doo-doo. .NET O stopped working? Oopalai. Let's try again. Cool. We're getting there. Network. So it's not loading the image. Images. Not sure why. Okay, so here when I look at it, it was, oh, come on. So it's localhost, then image, and if I look the CSS here, yeah, it should work. Oh, there's a slash. So why it's not working? It look prettier though here. Like I'm comfortable with that. Oh, I should do the target also. Target blank, so it open in another page. Just not sure why my image is not showing up. Should I do just this? And all H here, I should do a target. Not sure if it's a thing, but I remember I needed to do that before. Right, we don't want people leaving the page. I think if I remove this now, I will be back in the gray smooshy stuff. So the page is still not present. Not sure why. The file structure, yeah. Maybe I did not put it in a good place. I put it in the www root. I created a folder images. I thought because CSS was there. You think so? Well, I can try it. did the typo. Images. Do you need to do something special when you are in Blazor with assembly, maybe? Oh, it's oh, damn it, that's me. It's, what is it? SRC, damn it. You can see how long it's been since I did some so I think I was good though with the with this. I think I didn't need the source. Well, come on, stop asking. There it is. It's cool. I like that. Though this is now that's good. I like that. Like, I wish this section here could be like in a gray thing, but it's good. Cool. Do you like it, Cloudies? I think it's nice, right? I'm not trying to win a contest of the best looking UI, so but it's way better than it was, right? Yeah. I would say it's a win.
Don't drop the banana! Why not? Good source of potassium!
Okay, I won't drop the banana. So yeah, so we'll do this. You think the image is too large? Okay. But then I need to play with the dimension, and I'm really bad at that. You know, if I put 800 here, then I need to found the ratio. No, it's not that complex, right? Like if it was 1,000 and now it's 800, and before, whoops, lucky to have you today. But it's not on the left side. Should we do something like alignment or something like that? Or is it right and you say it in like something like this? Yeah, we'll try that. Check the div. This one? So it's this thing here. I think you need to make an image inline block. So this here, can I add thing? So inline display inline block. Yeah, but no, that's not what I want. Instead of fix, I could use absolute, maybe. But why it's... Ah, because of the div. No, the div is that big, so why the image... Because that div need to to be like aligned right, maybe. And here, and this one, let's do a style. Forgot to stop it first, so now let's run it again. Did you land? How come the... Oh, you didn't beat your... Oh, you beat your score, Pascal? 21? You're playing on the border today, right? Oh yeah. Did CB celebrate? Okay, that's what I was looking for. Cool. Yeah, that I like. It's cool. We got it. Well, like it's good enough. You know what? I will accept PRs. What time is it? Yeah. It's plenty of good enough. Nice looking home page. Commit. Cool. So now we have a nice looking page. Yeah. So we should update our to-dos. And it was to-do 4, right? It's done. So now let's go for the grid. So it's 5. I was checking with the float right, and like, well, we got it. So if you think you can make it, you know what? I will love Drumpy. If you want, go to that project here. Take the branch dev and make it pretty. Have fun. You'll have your name in the collaboration and stuff like that. I will be super happy, and that's good exposure for you also, so that's always very good. I have my little 4-leg co-worker that just arrived. Dougie. Okay, so now I want to start. Yeah, 5. So to do start 5. Okay, so now we need to fix the grid. So let's close this, open the grid page, it's URL manager. So now here, I think I want to keep the button. So we'll put, yeah. And let's look again what it looks like. What's Razor? Razor, it's Razor, it's from .NET, so it's a page that mix HTML code with .NET code. So like see here, like I'm saying like, hey, like inject this page, so I'm building my web page. So it's in .NET, and like I'm building a web page, and I can have code. So it's a page that mix both C# and well, in fact, I would say .NET. I'm using C#, but you could use .NET, any .NET family code with HTML. So like you're mixing both. So here I have like a validation message, and then like something like that. Thank you. Markup syntax, that's the word I was looking for. Excellent. Thank you, Pascal. Very appreciated.
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
Okay, so we have that. I think we could maybe just add a title. Should we add again the logo at every page? We could, right? Well, definitely a logo. Say your URL. I don't know. What could be the logo? The title. We definitely can remove this thing, and here I could add the H1. Well, you know what? URL manager. Hey, PC Club Financier. Welcome aboard. How are you? I think that's about it. There's not much to add here. I think that's it. Grid is clean. So let's start working on that statistic. Look, oh yeah, did we task list, update description. Okay, so we removed the general stuff, we add a GitHub, we had a .NET, we add, oh, we didn't add a reference to Azure though. Syncfusion and link. I think it's good enough. It's done, but it will go in, yeah, it's in progress, it's done, but it's still, it's not push yet. Just me, I felt later, I'm gonna, yeah, cool, have fun, buddy. fun. Okay, so this grid for the statistic page, we definitely need a title or click stat. But it could be cool, say, looking at the URL something something, right? And I think I prefer the column, I think. Because I feel like those bars, like if you don't have any clicks in between, feel like you don't see that. Like it connect those two. Yeah, so I think I will go with bars. What do you think? I think I prefer, what's split line? Oh, they rounded. That's cool too, but step line, that's what I had. I thought it would be cool, but I don't like that. Dash make no sense. Zone, it's nice because it will add more. I'm not sure why it's not showing. Oh, it's kind of frozen. Oh no! Oh no, yeah, though, like that. Meh. Like Aria was cool because it's a little bit more filled, less empty. But I think I will go with the column chart. And if you have clicks every day, then like, you know. So yeah, so I think I will just change it for where is it? I think I had it before. It was just bars. Where is it? Whoa! Drum pie. That's a very good landing. So who's leading today? Yeah, okay. So I think what we want is that grid. Where do I define it? Oh yeah, like I'm looking at the grid and looking for the are you freelancing? No, I'm a Microsoft employee. Drum pie. But this is my playground. This is a cloud, so I'm having fun, trying things, learning. So yeah, step line, this is not what I want. So what do you have in stock for me? I think it was bars. my title is a cloud advocate. So I have bars. Now we'll go back to bars. Boom. Right. And here we'll look and we'll say click statistics, and I should have kept the 3 because I want to mention which link we're looking at, and we should have that in the, oh no, I'm not having it. Oh yeah, so we'll need to have some kind of condition, because vanity can be empty. So here I could do something. Let's try if that works. So could I do something like this and then curly brackets? And now I will do I would do something like this, right? And then question mark, and then this, and then something like that. So I think yeah, not sure how can I do that. Oh, I know what I will do.
Yay!
I will say subtitle. That should work. No, it's this. Yeah, no need like that. Comme ça, right? And subtitle, I will define it somewhere else. So sorry, I missed Huland. Patrick, 99. Now you're talking. Now you're talking, buddy. No, that could be a private thing. Yeah, private. Yeah. So that, and here, if vanity len equal to 0, I will have a little something. I will bring that code here. Oh, in fact, here I could do my thing I was looking for. Say this, and then I do subtitle equal. Okay, yeah. So do this, then boom. So vanity, equal, boom, go at H3. I cannot type correctly apparently. Right, boom. I'm not sure, is it $? And then like you do something like this. Is it $? Or it's the I'm doing too many languages these days. Yeah, I feel like it was $, because it's another color. Oh yeah, but no, I want this, yeah. Because here had that. Okay, cool. Whoops. Whoops. So we'll push that. We'll push. It will trigger a build and stuff like that, so you can go see if the build pass. But it's time. I need to go. So let's go find. Oh, so first let's stop the stats. Let's run the scores. See who's leading today. Who's leading? And we'll go. Blazer 84, drum by Patrick Pascal 99.5. Fantastic, good job. So let's go see who's from the live coders is streaming right now. So teams, live coders. TBD, thank you. And you know what? Let's go see Lana. Like to see what Lana is doing. Let's rate her, send her some love. And I need to jump, so I won't be able to watch very long with you. But cool. She's working with Unity. Will be fun. Have some fun. See you on Friday if you're interested to win that version pro of Git Kraken. Join me Friday. See you there. Bye-bye.